A rock might seem like the very definition of permanent, solid, unchanging, ancient. But on the scale of geological time, rocks are surprisingly temporary. The Earth is a giant recycling plant, and the ground beneath our feet is in constant, slow-motion transformation. It all begins with fire. Igneous rocks are born from molten magma or lava that cools and hardens. If it cools slowly, deep underground, it forms large crystals, creating granite. If it erupts from a volcano and cools quickly, it forms tiny crystals or glass, like basalt or obsidian. But that volcanic mountain doesn't last forever. Wind and rain weather it down, breaking it into sand and mud. Rivers carry these sediments to the sea, where they settle in layers. Over millions of years, the immense weight from above compresses these layers into solid rock, like sandstone or limestone. This is sedimentary rock, and it holds a special secret. It's the only type where we can find fossils, preserving a snapshot of ancient life. Now, take that sedimentary rock and bury it deep within the Earth during a continental collision. The intense heat and pressure, without melting it, will completely change it. The minerals morph into new forms. Limestone becomes marble, shale becomes slate. This is metamorphic, or change-born rock. And the cycle completes when that metamorphic rock is pushed even deeper, melting back into magma, ready to one day erupt and form a new igneous rock. What powers this endless cycle? Plate tectonics. The constant movement of the Earth's crust is the engine. Where plates pull apart, new igneous rock is made. Where they collide, rocks are squeezed into metamorphic mountains, or subducted and melted. Without this engine, the recycling would stop. So that single grain of sand on a beach today might have once been a crystal in a volcano, and millions of years from now, it might be part of a new mountain range. Every rock tells a story of fire, pressure, and time.